Hello friends, in this video we will make this image. See, this image is very interesting person, that is James. Make the attractive image with background. So let's start with a background image. Insert in this Photoshop like this one and increase its size. Zoom this picture and use the option of filter to make it more effective using the blur options. Use the Gaussian blur option to make this image in blur shape. Use this option like this. And then another option in this filter, Gaussian blur option, smart blur. Use some smart blur option, increase its radius and reduce some threshold and click OK to make this image like this. So this background will be adjusted behind the image of this James. So after that, put this image here and open this image on full screen and first adjust its hair by using this smudge tool. Make its hair attractive like this. Before making this brush is attractive, use this brush, 13 number brush from here, and then make his brushes hair using brush to make his hair like this. Make his hair attractive form like this, and then use the option layer, new fill layer, solid color to change the color of this image. So to change this image color, and before using this new fill layer, first of all we will insert some image whose color we will fill in this image. So now we will select this image in which we have to fill this layer, solid color, fill color, solid color, and enter the color hair color, name of this layer, hair color, then click OK and then select from here color of this person, this image, and then click OK. Use Ctrl I button to create it in mask form. See, this layer convert into mask form. This is our background image and this is hair color. Then go again in this layer, new solid color, and enter the skin color, name of the layer, skin color, then click OK and then select the skin color of this image from here to fill that color in the image of James. So next one, we will change the t-shirt color. Use again new layer, fill layer, and go in pattern. Fill the pattern in his t-shirt. Select t-shirt, enter the name t-shirt, pattern, and then click OK. You will see pattern will be available in this window. Select the pattern we want to fill in this image. Select this pattern which I want to fill, then click OK, then use Ctrl I, and now all colors are available here. This is our hair color, this is our skin color, this is our pattern color. So select the hair color and use the brush, select hair color layer, select the brush tool and then fill the color in here slightly like this, and then go in this mode and change the mode from here. So I think you understand. Fill some color here also. So I think you understand, and then now fill the color in skin. Select skin color layer and select the brush from here, brush tool, and then fill the color in his skin like this to make his skin attractive. So I think you understand how to create this image, to give effects, to change the color of this image using these new fill layer, different color pattern layer, and fill the color in his skin. Make this image attractive and use this option mode, change the mode from hard light or color. Use this option mode color. So I think you understand. Change the color of this image and now fill the pattern in his t-shirt. Select the pattern layer and fill the pattern very sharply. Fill to change the pattern of his, or to give the pattern to its t-shirt like this. So fill the pattern very fastly, or you can fill very fastly and very carefully like this. And after filling the color, and just you change the mode of layer from here. You can use overlay or you can use a hard light. Use this option hard light. Use this option hard light of this. Give this pattern t-shirt. So I think you understand. And now we will, after setting this image, we will use this option flatten image to make them combine in one image, convert them into one image, and then use this pen tool to cut the like this, to select this image or to cut that part of image and place that image in our background image. So I think you understand how these options to be used. Very nice time to learn all these things and to create all these images in Photoshop. So I think you understand my all points, all videos, how these options are used to make our image attractive. See my videos similarly to get knowledge of this tool and this software, I think. So after that, click on this image, make selection, then click OK. So image is now selected. Go in edit, click on copy, and then copy this image in this background. Go in paste. So see, the image is pasted. Use move tool to place this image here or to decrease the size of this image. So I think you understand how to create this image. So we will use some other options to change the view of this image. You go in edit, use transformation option, perspective option to change the image like this, to change the image into in another view. Use this option. So I think you understand how I change the view with this perspective option like this and apply. So the image change from like this and rotate some part like this and put this image here, and then after create the copy of this image. Go in layer and create the copy of this image like this, and one copy put here and increase its size like this. So after that, use this option layer opacity to decrease the opacity of this image. So I think you understand how to adjust the opacity to make the picture like this. So I think you understand. And then after, put this image here, and you can increase its size, like adjust this image here. So I think you understand how to create this image, and we have to type here James name. Go in this option, horizontal type mask, and click here, type name of this person James, and use this option move tool, and then to increase its size use this option, go in selection, transformation selection, and you can increase the size of this name, or you can rotate and you can drag at any place in this part, and then apply. And then after, click on the background layer, go in edit, click on the stroke to give it outline to James, because in this time this name in mask form we will convert in outline form. Enter the width 5 pixels, then select color, yellow color from here, and click OK, and we will give this outline center, or you can give also inside outline, you can create center outline, or you can give outside outline. So we will give center, then click OK. So name will be like this, and click on select, deselect to remove this mask. So I think you understand how to create this image.